Oo, ang isa is pagising sa umaga, parang irritable pa rin yung bata, parang hindi siya rested.
Yun na talaga yung
Isa pa yun. Tapos parang inaantok pa rin siya. So, ibig sabihin, something is wrong. Bakit yung bata, in spite of the long hours of sleep, inaantok,
matamlay.
medyo, matamlay, tapos hindi pa rin makita mo the whole day, parang sleepy siya, hikab ng hikab. Tapos yun nga, yung activity, hindi niya masyadong magawa kasi nga, parang puyat palagi. So, yun. So, those are the symptoms na, tapos yung school performance niya, pangit. So, yun, most likely, these are the kids na would think, ay, baka may OSAS to. So, kailangan silang i-check with the pulmonary doctor. Kasi usually, mga gumagawa ng sleep study are pulmonologists, pediatric pulmonologists, pinapa-sleep study. Kung significant ang bagsak talaga ng oxygenation during sleep, hindi